waterfalls meet rainbow. If you live in the water region, maybe you have visited the waterfalls not far away from Hohwe. It is the highest waterfalls in West Africa. It is 143 meters high.
It flowed down the Akwapim Togo Range mountains, which are located at the Ghana-Togo border.
If you walk through the woods towards the waterfalls, you have to cross 9 bridges across the Agumachaf River.
When I visited the waterfalls, I also saw a rainbow. If sunlight meets damp air and multicolored arc appears, the main colors are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet.
Do you like rainbows like I do? Hello, Jonas and yes, I really like this book. Thank you so much.